Hello, I'm Abhishek, and in this video, we are going to discuss the reasoning section of NCSE CT 2018 paper, and this is the part third of the series. In this video, I'm going to discuss last 10 questions of the section. So let's start with question number 21. If in a certain code language, honesty is written as 5132468. So basically, honesty का code दे रखा है हमें, which is 5132 4, 6, and 8, and the code for poverty is given as 7192068. We need to find the code for horse. Now see, जब भी आपको दो एग्जांपल दे रखे हो जनरली स्ट्राइक करना चाहिए कि डायरेक्ट वाले क्वेश्चन होते हैं. डायरेक्ट वाले एज इन द कोड फॉर y here is 8. आप देखेंगे यहाँ पर भी y का कोड 8 ही आ रहा है. Fine, so we can say that p का कोड here is 7, o का here is 1, और आप यहाँ चेक करेंगे यहाँ पर भी 1 ही है. So we can say that code for o is 1. Similarly, we will check for h. H का कोड is 5, so here it should be 5. R is 0, 0. S is 4, 4, and E is 2. So the correct answer is 51042. Option B. Going to next, second question. Again based on coding decoding. So POKITOP and MA. The meaning of this particular code language is Usha is playing cards. Fine. Further, KOP, JA, KI, and MA. This means that Asha is playing tennis. Then KI, TOP, SOP, and HO. The meaning is they are playing football. And one more sentence is given, and that is POSORKOP means cards and tennis. तो हम ये सारे कोड्स दे रखे थे. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज वी नीड टू फाइंड द कोड फॉर आशा. ठीक है. नाउ सी, आशा का फाइंड करने के लिए वी मस्ट बी नोइंग द कोड फॉर इज प्लेइंग इन टेनिस. नाउ सी, प्लेइंग इज कॉमन हियर, हियर, एंड हियर आल्सो. So whatever is the code of playing, that must be common in these three statements also, and the only word which is common in all the statement is ki. So we can say that playing ka code is ki. Now if playing is ki, then see, is and playing is common in this and this. Is this common in first and second statement? और उसका code देखेंगे तो ma is common. So we can say that code for is ma. फाइन. अब आप देखेंगे सेकंड एंड फोर्थ स्टेटमेंट में टेनिस इज कॉमन, एंड कोड की बात करें तो केओपी इज कॉमन. दैट मींस कि टेनिस का कोड इज केओपी. नाउ आशा इज लेफ्ट एंड ओनली वन कोड इज लेफ्ट, दैट इज जेए. So the correct answer is option A, that is J is the code for Asha. Question number 23. We need to find the wrong term in the series, and the series is given as 22, 37, 52, 67, 84, and 97. Now see, here the difference is of 15. Again there is a difference of 15. 15 again. Here the difference is of 17, and here it is of 13. Now in case here the difference must be of 15, so that this becomes how much? ये हो जाएगा 82. And in case this is 82, then again the difference between 82 and 97 will be 15 only. So यदि हम यहाँ पर करेक्शन कर देते हैं, 84 की जगह 82 को प्लेस कर देते हैं, तो ये पूरा सीरीज में 15 का गैप हो जाएगा. So the correct answer is, the wrong term is 84. Question number 24. Again based on number series only, we need to find the wrong term again. So the series is 4, 7, 13, 25, 49, 97 and 153. Now आप देखेंगे यहाँ पर 4 को जब हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आंसर इज 8, बट यहाँ पर 7 है. दैट मींस हमने -1 किया है. Now again 7 multiplied by 2 will give us 14, -1 will give us 13. 13 into 2 is 26, -1 will give us 25. 25 into 2 is 50, -1 will give us 49. 49 into 2 is 98, -1 will give us 97. So 97 into 2, which is 194, -1 will give 193. And here it is 153. So this is the odd term out. 153 is the wrong term in this particular series. Question number 25. Again, we need to find the odd term. So the series is 258, 130, then 66, then 34, then 18, then 8, and then 6. फाइन. तो अब इससे हम देखते हैं कि क्या हो सकता है. सी 130 से 258 तक कैसे जाया जा सकता है. आई थिंक 130 into 2 minus 2 will give us 258. Now 66 into 2 minus 2 will give us 130. Now 34 into 2 minus 2 will give us how much? 66. 18 into 2 is 36 minus 2 will give us 34. 8 into 2 minus 2 कितना होना चाहिए? 18 into 2 is 16 minus 2, तो यहाँ पर 14 आना चाहिए. तो आई थिंक दिस 8 is wrong. इसकी वजह से सीरीज में गड़बड़ हो रहा है. यहाँ पर कितना होना चाहिए था? 6 into 2 minus 2. So 6 into 2 is 12 minus 2. तो यहाँ पर आना चाहिए था 10. And suppose यहाँ पर 10 होता तो 10 into 2 minus 2 will give you 80. Fine. So the correct answer is this term is wrong. In place of 8, there must be 10. Question number 26. Based on blood relation, Fatima, while introducing Mustafa to her husband, said his brother. So she's talking about Mustafa. So Mustafa's brother's father is the only son of my grandfather. Mustafa's son's, sorry, his brother's father. So Mustafa's brother's father. इस person की बात हो रही है. He is the only son of my grandfather. Now he is the only son of my grandfather. My grandfather's only son means my father. So basically this person is Fatima's father. Fine. Now question is, how is Fatima related to Mustafa? Now Fatima is sister of Mustafa. The correct answer is sister. Fine. Moving to next question, question number 27. 4 metropolitan cities X, Y, Z, and W. X, Y, Z, and W are connected by different routes and different modes of transport as given below. X and Y are connected by both boat and bus. So boat or bus के लिए I'm using different color pen. So boat and bus. ठीक है. This red is for bus and this blue one is for boat. Okay. So we have one air also. No issues. Y and W are connected by air only. Y and W are connected by air only. यहाँ पर air ही है, यहाँ पर boat and bus. Fine. Y and Z are connected by air and bus. So these are connected by air and bus. X and W are connected by bus only. So X and W are connected by bus only. And X and Z are connected by train only. X and Z are connected by train only. So ये connections दे रखे हैं, ये interconnected cities हैं, fine. Now which route would be possible from Y to W so that at least 3 modes can be used. Y to W, हमें Y से W तक जाना है using at least 3 different modes of transport. Y, X, Z, W. Y, X, Z. अब आप देखेंगे Z से W तक डायरेक्ट नहीं जाया जा सकता है. So this is wrong. Y, Z, X, W. Y, Z, X and W. ये possible है. अब देखते हैं Y से Z तक गए, फिर X से Z तक ट्रेन से ही जाना पड़ेगा. That is the only option. X से Z से X तक, sorry. अब आप देखेंगे X से W तक बस से ही जाना पड़ेगा. That is the only option. अब हमने 2 डिफरेंट मोड यूज कर लिए हैं, तो Y से Z तक आने के लिए मुझे बस नहीं यूज करनी चाहिए, मुझे A is air mode यूज करना चाहिए. So that we can have at least 3 different modes of transport. So this is correct option. Now second question based on the same data is, which mode of transport would help one to reach from Z to W? Now we need to move from Z to W. हमें Z से W तक जाना है. Now see, Z is not directly connected to W. Starting from Z, but without changing the mode of transport. हमें Z से start होना है, but हमें mode of transport change नहीं करना है. Now see, suppose if I go to W via Y, मैं Y से होते हुए जाता हूँ, तो Y तक I can go either by bus or by air. और आप देखेंगे कि Y से air के through मैं W तक भी जा सकता हूँ. So if I choose air as my mode of transport, तो Z से W तक direct air के through पहुंचा जा सकता है. So the correct answer is option D, air. Z से Y तक via air जाएंगे and then Y to tap. The correct answer is option D, that is air. Okay. Next question based on Silog. So statements are given to statement are given, and based on those two statements, we need to check whether the given conclusions are correct or not. All writers are lawyers. All writers are lawyers, and all readers are lawyers. Now see, सारे के सारे reader भी lawyers है, but we don't have any idea about the intersection of W with R. They can intersect, or हो सकता है उनमें कोई intersection ना हो. So basically these are the two possibilities. Now some lawyers are readers. Yes, it is possible. It is possible, but not definitely true. यहाँ पर तो सही है, some lawyers are readers. Sorry, lawyers are readers. That is definitely true. Lawyers तो outer circle है. Fine. So some lawyers are readers. इसमें भी हो रहा है and इसमें भी हो रहा है. So that is definitely true. Some readers are writers. Now this is something which is of which we are not sure of. यहाँ पर reader and writer में intersection है, but यहाँ पर नहीं है. So we cannot comment anything regarding this. So the correct answer is conclusion first is correct. Option A. Last question of this section. Some gears are wheels, some gears are wheels, and all wheels are brakes. All wheels are brakes. No brake is gear. Now see, there is an intersection between gear and brake. So this is wrong. At least some gears are brake. Here it is missing. At least some gears are brakes. Yes, some gears are brakes. Definitely this is true. So the correct answer is option B. That is only conclusion second will follow. So this was about the reasoning section of NCTM 2018 paper. I hope all the questions are clear to you. Thank you.